Step number 1, log into this NFT artificial intelligence program. Step number 2, use this NFT AI DFY templates or the drag and drop editor to create your own NFT. Step 3, publish your NFT with one click to the world's biggest NFT marketplaces and sell for tons of cryptocurrencies. All I did was come over to builderall.com, design my own NFT funnel completely for free, use this NFT artificial intelligence maker to design my own NFTs and sell in my own funnel to make thousands of dollars online. Today's video has information that you've never seen before. I'm going to show you this new NFT program over here that just costs $16. I will be transparent, it is a paid tool, but it is really worth it. One sale literally makes your money back over here. This is a tool where you can go and create unlimited NFTs from scratch with just one click. 100% cloud-based, you don't need any coding required, you don't need to buy, invest or trade in any crypto. Easy drag and drop builder to build your own NFTs and over 30 done for you templates to go and build your own NFTs, and you get your own commercial license included, which you can go and sell NFTs to local businesses and online clients for thousands of dollars. Your NFTs are also 100% verified in your own property, meaning if anyone takes screenshots, it doesn't matter because on the blockchain the NFT is listed as yours, so no one can copy and share them, and this platform is ready to sell your NFT for thousands of dollars on any platform. Your NFTs are also protected by SSL encryption, meaning no one can hack them, and you get your own premium minter which gets your NFTs published on the blockchain. There are also step-by-step tutorials included in this tool. Now all I did was I actually created my own sales funnel with a landing page, an email sequence, checkouts, emails, all done for you, selling my own NFTs. And all I've been doing was creating my NFTs with this tool over here, and I've been able to make thousands of dollars online with this funnel over here. And this tool that I used to go and create this funnel, all you need to do is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, and comment down below that you're ready to go and design your NFTs. And you can come over to the second link in the description. It's completely free. I don't get any commissions or anything like that because on that link I'm giving away over $1,200 worth of bonuses for builderall.com completely for free. It gives you a free 30-day trial, meaning you don't actually have to pay to get those bonuses. So I don't get any commissions from you or anything like that. It's all completely free. Once you've signed up, you'll be on your dashboard that looks like this. So over here, you can get access to tons of apps from funnel builders, chat builders, webinar builders, e-learning centers. You can go and create your own NFT course if you want to, build your own NFT app, booking builders, your own e-com stores. Over here you have a WhatsApp automation tool, Mailing Boss 5.0, which allows you to send out automation and email sequences, WhatsApp launch messenger chatbots, SMS messaging, all sorts of tools and that you can go and use to build your own online business. The tool we are looking for is Funnel Builder over here. So come over to apps, hover over Funnel Builder, click on it, and it will open up the Funnel Builder in a new tab over here. Click on Add Funnel, go and type in your funnel name, for example, Pro NFT. For the theme, I like to go and use the blue theme as it pretty much suits NFTs very well. As you can see over here, I use the blue theme on this funnel. We can then go and click on Create Funnel over here. We're going to click on Start Funnel, come over to Blueprints, come over to Sales Process, and over here you will find tons of done for you sales funnels that we can go and import with Builderall to go and sell whatever product we want to sell. For example, our NFTs. The simple sales letter sales funnel over here is more than perfect. We can click on this. We've got a squeeze page, sales letter page, and a checkout page, and then our thank you page over here. You're then going to click on Generate Website, and this website will automatically generate for you. Click on Go to Website, and it will take you to a page like this where we can go and design our squeeze page, thank you page, and our checkout page. Let me just explain to you how this is going to go and work. So let's go and start off with our squeeze page. We're going to click on Edit Page, and it will open up the page editor in a new tab like this. For page number 1, you want to go and set up the following: your title, get your NFT designed and sent to your email, enter your email below, get instant access. Also, don't worry, I'm going to give this entire funnel to you, so that's why I'm going to go over this very briefly, because you don't really need to know how to design this, because I'm going to give this to you, but I'm just going to go over it briefly so that you know how to edit it and set up your emails, etc. Click on Get Instant Access. You just want to go and set your list over here to one of your email lists. So when your leads enter the email on this form over here, you save them in a database so that you can send them out promotional emails, coupons, you name it, to get them back for more sales. So once that's done, click on Save on the top right. So that's our first page complete. We're then going to come over to the video sales page over here, click on edit page, and it will open up our next page. Now, what I like about this, all of this content is ready here for you. So this picture I got off Fiverr. You can also go and look for Google images, make sure they're non-copyright, filter by the non-copyright images, and just go and look for some NFT pictures to put on your page. And over here, I've just got Creative Cartoon NFT Collection, 101K or 10K arts for OpenSea. Get your own NFT design. If you're looking for a creative based character or accessories for NFT, you're at the best place, and basically just a little bit of information on what you're going to get. Yes, I want it. Will then take my leads to the checkout page over here. So again, you can also go and take screenshots, use some of the pictures on this website here, which you can go and use on your homepage here. But again, I'm going to give this to you. When you're ready, click on save. We're then going to come over to the checkout page. Click on the checkout page over here. And then finally, we just want to go and have our checkout page where our clients or leads will then pay us through our payment gateway. So the important part is this section over here. Click on your checkout. Just go and click on checkout super configuration, super checkouts, and we now can go and add our NFT product. This is important. This is the only part that you really need to pay attention to. But again, this entire template is being given to you. So if I come over to products over here, you can see my NFT product that I'm selling for $199. And remember, this tool is only costing me over here $16 once off. So literally one sale pays off this whole tool. And all I do is I go and use this AI tool over here to go and make an NFT for my clients, which I will then sell on my checkout page over here. This checkout pays via Stripe, PayPal, cryptocurrency, or wire transfer. So when you're ready with your checkout, go and click on save on the top right. So that's now done. And all we need left is the thank you page over here. So we're going to go and click on edit page of the thank you page here. And here you can see finish order. This will just take them to a Facebook Messenger or a chat program where you can chat with your clients on what kind of NFT they want. So make sure to go and set up some kind of Facebook business page where you can go and chat to your clients, where they can send you, I want a type of monkey or any kind of design NFT, just to get some information so that you know what NFT to go and design them with this artificial intelligence program over here. So it's super important that you have that system in place where you can actually go and chat to your clients. I recommend anything. You can have an Instagram page, a Twitter page, any social media platform where you can DM and message your potential clients. When ready, click on save over here. Now, what I've got for you guys is absolutely epic. So if I come back to my homepage here, you can see I've got the entire NFT funnel over here. Now, I'm going to click on the three dots, give public link over here. So over here, I've got an entire public link that I can go and share to you guys and give this entire funnel to you, which I'm going to do in this video because I really want to give you as much as value as possible. So over here, if you want to go and get this link, I'd really appreciate, just leave a like on this video. Make sure you're following my YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, and comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply to your comments or leave on the pinned comment the link to this funnel. So I would really appreciate that, as this will really help you out in succeeding with this NFT funnel. And then secondly, you want to come over to this website called getprofitnft.com/regular, which is the sales page here. And right now this tool is on sale for just $16. You've got about 5 hours left. Again, I get no commissions talking about this. I don't get any profits. I'm talking about this freely as I use this tool. And like it says over here, generate your next gen NFTs in just 3 simple steps with 0 monthly fees. So this is a once-off price over here of just $16. And if I scroll through this page, you can have a look at what some people are making with their NFT sales over here. You can have a look at what professionals have to say. If I scroll down some more, you can see here NFT market capitalization. We're currently at 710 million in the NFT market cap in 2021. So 2022, 2023, I can promise you the NFT market hasn't even started yet. I don't even think 1% of the population is involved with NFTs. So this is a market that can get to millions, even billions of a market cap. So this is the time to really get into the NFT market over here. And I mean, have a look at some of these NFT sales over here. Simple Bored Ape Dude sold for 430 Ethereum, which is 1.64 million, 900,000, 1.2 million, 5 million. And I'm not saying this is what your NFTs are going to sell for, but they are NFTs that you can create that will go, that literally has the potential to go from $5, $10, $20, $200 to hundreds of thousands of dollars overnight. There are NFTs that really do that. I've seen videos of NFTs skyrocket to 6 figures overnight. So there's literally nothing to lose with this. I mean, you get your whole package over here. You can go and use this app on your mobile phone, your PC over here. and there's just some more interesting information over here. So like it says, no monthly fees, no tech or design skills, you don't need any NFT experience, you don't even need to have your own crypto account, you don't need to buy, trade, or invest in other NFTs. This is all creating your own NFTs. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars to a graphic designer to make your own NFTs, and you don't need any coding knowledge or any setup like that. And if you're ready, this is the website here, getprofitnft.com. You can scroll down to the bottom and you can check out over here for just $16. Again, more epic reviews, results. Here's actually a little video on how this works. So you can click on this video, a little 3-minute tutorial on the demo of this. You can actually see some example NFTs over here that you can go and create, which really is super high quality. And remember, all of this is verified in your own name on the blockchain. So if anybody screenshots or tries to copy it, this is all your NFT legally to you to make profits. So the profits are only sent to you over here. If you scroll down some more, they actually give you a nice glimpse of the features of this tool. Again, all 100% automated. So over here you can see you've got some templates, your own Ethereum wallet where you get paid for your cryptocurrencies. And remember, all the NFTs that you create on this tool, you can either go and list them on the marketplace yourself. That's called OpenSea.io. So if I come over to OpenSea.io, you can go and list them here, go and create an NFT and post your own NFT, or you can do what I did, go and create your own funnel and go and sell your NFTs in your own funnel. You can do both if you want to and make money off both methods. So that's off your own funnel and off the NFT marketplace. Over here, you can have a listen to what some people have to say. I really recommend go through this, have a listen to the experts and see what they're doing over here. Read through all the reviews. And this tool is just absolutely epic if you want to become an NFT designer and get involved in the NFT world. I'm really going to give you guys a ton of value right now. So on my YouTube channel over here, let me just come to my YouTube channel. If I come over to playlist tab, I actually have an entire NFT playlist called NFTs 2022, where I'm posting all of my NFT videos over here that will teach you how to go and create funnels, how to create your own NFTs, sell them. So this is a very little handy course that I've been creating on my YouTube channel here. Again, I'm not selling any crazy $2,000 course, all free value over here on YouTube. All of these playlists over here are separate courses. So I've got a trading course, apps that pay, earning Bitcoin, Google Ads training course. I've got over here a TikTok marketing course, a Kartra training, a drop shipping course, affiliate marketing course, Builderall training courses, drop servicing. So this YouTube channel of mine really has a ton of value. I'm really trying to post valuable content on this channel without expecting anything in return. Again, I'm not selling you any crazy $2,000 course. The only thing I do sell is a cheap $29 drop servicing course, which is valued at well over $1,000. But again, that is something for you to get value from. So if you want to go and get access to this NFT course over here, I just clicked the wrong thing. Here, NFTs 2022. I'm going to put it up on the screen over here. It's a big square. You can go and click on it. It will take you straight to the course over here where we can go and get started. You'll see me over there. Also, go and follow me on Instagram. I'd really appreciate it. You can send me a DM, chat to me. We can talk and have conversations if you need help with anything. But most importantly, go and click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.